Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today.
Paul, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great. I'm feeling relaxed today.
That's nice. Is it because of today's topic?
Yes, exactly. I really like today's topic.
Me too. Today we're talking about family.
Yes, talking about your family in English.
It's a very common topic.
People talk about family when they meet new people.
That's true. So let's just talk naturally.
Sounds good. Paul, tell me about your family.
Okay. I have 4 people in my family.
4 people. Who are they?
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
That sounds nice. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
Oh, wow. That's an important job.
Yes, he works a lot.
What about your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
A teacher. That's wonderful.
Yes, she teaches children.
And your sister?
I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Is she older or younger than you?
She's younger than me.
What does she do?
She's a student. She studies music.
That's very creative. Your family sounds lovely.
Thank you. What about you, Emily? Tell me about your family.
I have a small family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 3 people.
Who are they?
My mother, my father, and me.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
No, I don't. I'm an only child.
Okay. What does your father do?
My father is a chef.
A chef? That's amazing.
Yes, he loves cooking.
Does he cook at home?
Yes, all the time. The food is always delicious.
Lucky you. What about your mother?
My mother is a nurse.
That's a very caring job.
Yes, she's very kind.
Do you spend time together as a family?
Yes, we do. We eat together and talk a lot.
That's really nice. Family time is important.
It really is.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's her name?
Her name is Luna.
Nice name. What is she like?
She's quiet and very sleepy.
That sounds like a cat.
Yes, it does. What about you?
I have a dog. His name is Max.
What is he like?
He's friendly and playful.
That sounds fun.
It is. I love my family and my dog.
Me too. I love my family very much.
Talking about family is a great way to connect with people.
Yes, it helps us feel closer.
Before we go, let's ask our listeners something.
Good idea. Tell us about your family in the comments.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
We'd love to read them.
Thank you so much for listening today,
Keep practicing your English.
and we'll see you again soon.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!